Hello and welcome to another Taman Films video. Today is the Field of Trucks for Sign Up Series number 16. And let me make an announcement. This will be a freestyle live stream. Yeah, let's see the trucks. We have Monster Jam 438 channel in White Avenger and Max D 2015 with the edge glove. Mac Bulldog Mac is Scooby-Doo and Utter Madness. Riley Fadden is Shark Reek and Northern Nightmare. Monster Jam Mayhem is Rottweiler X-Ray and The Black Captain's Curse. Monster Jam 11 is Crustacean 2015 and the Green Thrasher. Monster Jam Fan 12 has Green Gravedigger and Donkey Kong, and his sister has Instigator and Nitro Circus, Connor Gaming and more, Bone Shaker and Crusader, Doomsday 5155, Black El Toro Loco X-Ray, and Cyborg. Mr. Perkaholic Gamer has the two Disney Cars trucks. Hot Wheels Monster Jam Collector has Nitro Circus and Shattered. I have the Monster Mutt Dalmatian Spectra Flames and NEA. My friend Griffin has the has Backwards Bob and Aftershock. My dad has Iron Man and the Gravedigger Mud Trucks. My sister has Crustacean and Gravedigger the Legend. So that is it. That is your Field of Trucks for Sign Up Series number 16 freestyle. And also for the World Finals there will be freestyle as well. So yeah, this Taman Films signing off. Sign Up Series 16 will most likely be a live stream, so stay tuned.